In this video, I'm going to show you how to get rid of this circle on your iPhone. So, does your iPhone have this circle? It can be so annoying at times to want to click on something and you instead mistakenly click on the circle, or it may be blocking or obscuring some views when you're on certain screens on your iPhone. Open your settings and scroll down to where you have accessibility and click on it. Then scroll down to where you have touch and click on touch. Right up here, you're going to see AssistiveTouch, and there you click on it. You're going to see a toggle button, and once you toggle this off, this circle is going to disappear. Let's see. So there you've gotten rid of the circle, and you can toggle it on at any time if you want to use your AssistiveTouch. So let's see what this circle can help you with. Let's say you have difficulties using your screen. This is where the AssistiveTouch comes in play to help. So here you can easily go to your control center. You can easily adjust your volume. You can do a lot of things using this AssistiveTouch if you have screen issues.